Guys, this is Coffee and Cryptos. My name is Dom, and today I'm going to be making Cafe Olé's Christmas in a Cup in my French press. Before we get into today's video, the crypto word of the day is hardware wallet. What is a hardware wallet? According to a Google search, a hardware wallet, also known as a cold wallet, is a device, physical medium, program, or a service which stores the public and/or private keys for cryptocurrency transactions. If you want to learn more about the hardware wallet, check out Ryan's video titled New Ledger Wallet, which will be linked in the description below. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be making Cafe Olé's Christmas in the Cup in my French press. If you want to learn more about how to make French press coffee, check out my previous video titled How to Make French Press Coffee Easy, which will be linked in the description below. In order to make coffee in the French press, you'll need the grounds and then water. Today, I will be making 4 cups of coffee, so I have 4 cups of water here, and I will add in 4 tablespoons of the medium coarse grounds into the French press. I'll let it steep for 3.5 to 4 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and press the coffee down. Let's get started. While the water's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and read the Christmas in the Cup bag. Christmas in the Cup is medium bodied with the perfect blend of spices and vanilla flavor. It's 100% Arabic coffee. And then Cafe Olé says we begin with high quality Arabic beans harvested from legendary coffee growing regions throughout the world. They are then roasted with precision and care to bring the artisan difference to your home. Nice. It says suggested preparation: add 2 level tablespoons per 6 ounces of fresh cold water. Brew 4 to 6 minutes. That's if you were to brew in a standard coffee pot. I'm making mine a little bit different since I'm using the French press. I'll go ahead and come back when the water's done heating, and then we'll go ahead and put the grounds into the water. Okay, so now that the water's done heating up, I'm going to go ahead and pour the water from the pitcher into the French press. Okay, I'm going to set this back here. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and open up the grounds. And I'm going to scoop 4 tablespoons of grounds into the water. 2, 3, 4. So here we're going to just go ahead and give it a nice good stir. It's not to be stirred too much since we're going to press it down at the end. I like to give it a good stir, and then you're going to go ahead and set the lid right on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and set a timer for 4 minutes, let this steep, then we're going to come back and press. Okay, my 4-minute timer just went off. Now it's time to press down the coffee. We're just going to come here, hold from the top, nice and slow, press down. Okay, now it's pressed all the way down. Then I'm going to take my Bitcoin mug and go ahead and pour right away. That smells so good. Okay, now it's time for the taste test. It's really delicious. I can definitely taste the hints of vanilla and spices in there. It's not super bold, but I think it's perfect for this time of year when you just want something that's light and airy, but not too strong. I think it'd go really well with my vanilla creamer here, so I'm gonna add a little bit in there so I can spend the night packing for my vacation coming up. Ooh, that's perfect. I definitely rate this coffee a 7 out of 10. It's not my favorite Cafe Olé blend, but it is up there. And I think it's a perfect blend for the holidays when you want something that's just a little bit more light. Well, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. See y'all next time.